A special diet is a structured meal plan that is designed to manage specific health conditions or dietary needs. These diets are typically prescribed by healthcare professionals, such as physicians and registered dietitians, and may involve modifications to the types and amounts of food consumed. Special diets can be considered therapeutic in nature, aiming to improve health outcomes or manage symptoms related to various medical conditions. Special diets are eating plans or food regimens designed to meet specific health, medical, ethical, or personal needs. These diets are often prescribed or chosen for reasons such as managing medical conditions, allergies, weight control, religious beliefs, or environmental concerns. Below are some common special diet types. Gluten-free diet. A diet that excludes gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. This diet is essential for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Low-carb diet. A diet that restricts carbohydrate intake in favor of protein and fats. This is often used for weight loss or managing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Vegetarian diet. A diet that excludes meat, poultry, and seafood. It may include dairy products, lacto-vegetarian, eggs, ovo-vegetarian, or both, lacto-ovo-vegetarian. Vegan diet. A stricter form of vegetarianism that excludes all animal products, including dairy, eggs, and even honey. Vegan diets are often adopted for ethical, environmental, or health reasons. Paleo diet. A diet based on eating foods that would have been available to humans during the Paleolithic era, such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It excludes processed foods, grains, legumes, and dairy. Keto diet, ketogenic diet. A high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This is used for weight loss and management of certain medical conditions like epilepsy. Low FODMAP diet. A diet that eliminates foods high in FODMAPs, fermentable oligo-D- monosaccharides and polyols, which are short-chain carbohydrates that can cause digestive distress in people with irritable bowel syndrome. DASH diet, dietary approaches to stop hypertension. A diet designed to help prevent or manage high blood pressure. It emphasizes foods rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy, while limiting sodium intake. Diabetic diet. A diet tailored to people with diabetes, focusing on controlling blood sugar levels. This involves eating balanced meals with a focus on low glycemic index foods and careful carbohydrate management. Anti-inflammatory diet. A diet that emphasizes foods with anti-inflammatory properties, such as fruits, vegetables, fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. It is often used to reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis or chronic inflammatory diseases. Pescatarian diet. A plant-based diet that includes fish and seafood but excludes other types of meat, poultry, and animal products. Raw food diet. A diet that involves consuming only raw or minimally processed foods, primarily fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sometimes raw dairy or meat. Mediterranean diet. A diet inspired by the traditional eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, especially fish, healthy fats, especially olive oil, and moderate wine consumption. Intermittent fasting. A dietary pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Common methods include the 16/8 approach, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window, or alternate day fasting. Whole 30 diet. A 30-day program that eliminates sugar, alcohol, grains, legumes, dairy, and processed foods. It focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods to reset eating habits and improve health.